Hey brother, welcome back to my channel. It's great to see you again. What I'm going to do in today's video, I'm going to show you 3 apps that pay you really good money. You can make up to $20 an hour online. So before we start this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so don't miss out any of my future videos. And don't forget to make a quick like and make a comment below. I come out with videos daily where I will show you how to find a job online, how to make money online, how to start a business online, or how to get a job online, how to make money online through apps. Now let's get right into the video. The first site that I want to share with you today is IQ. This site will pay you between 25 cents to 50 cents and they will release the funds to you straight away. This is a really cool app. You can actually donate it to charity if you don't want the funds, and that's what I really like about this app. You can actually donate it to charity. So as you can see from your phone, you can answer questions. Companies need to know businesses for your feedback, so you get paid to share your opinion instantly to better market their products and services. That's pretty much it in a nutshell. Questions start to your mobile phone or mobile app, and then you answer them. Answer your questions from your phone. How easy is that? Easily answer questions and get paid 50 cents per answer. You get paid instantly through PayPal, instantly and directly. It's between 25 cents and 50 cents. It's very simple and easy to do, and this is how to make money with apps. You are not going to get extremely rich by doing this. So the site is called IQ, and like I said, you can donate it to charity. They have got about 1 million people that have joined it. I definitely recommend you check out this site if you want to make money through your phone. Very simple and easy to do. It's another app that pays you straight into your PayPal account. The next app that you can start with is called Video Chat Network. This site is amazing site that you start with and start making money on it. This is leisure. I haven't found anybody saying that it's a scam, and everything I have read on this seems to be leisure. A lot of money to be paid for different services. We can make over $20 an hour on this site, absolutely no doubt about. Some companies will pay a lot of money for market research. I recommend you check it out and test it. Why not? $20 on average an hour is a lot of money to pass up the opportunity, and obviously a way of making money on your phone. Okay, it's obviously pays so much, so I will spend a little bit more time on this site. And here we can also get paid through video chat. Signing up for the chat opportunity is easier than ever on our mobile app. They will ask you questions about them and you need to answer these questions honestly. Our questions of the day for a chance to earn money. So there is even more ways to obviously make money. This is how you obviously make money with apps, and the reason why they are going to pay you so much money. They will pay you $20 to $50 for the first chat, and you can also get paid to refer friends for their first chat. Your friend will earn an extra $25 beyond the regular incentive. One of the best apps that pay you money. It's easy to get started. All you need to start earning money on this site is a computer with a webcam. Sign up now. I definitely recommend that you guys check this one out. Now let's go to the next app. So the next site that pay you money is called Sweetcoin. This gives you even more incentive to keep working. I definitely recommend that you check out this site. As you can see here, it pays to work. They actually pay you for working. Now you go on to obviously the App Store and download this particular app. They will pay you to actually work. Once you are registered on here, they obviously see behavioral patterns in terms of where you shop, where you go, what shops you go to, what you do, etc. So a fantastic site that I definitely recommend that you check it out, and you can get PayPal cash, and it's just another really cool app. Now you need to download the app and start earning money from it. These are the 3 apps that I recommend to start with. These apps are definitely not going to make you multimillionaires, but you can make some really good money on it. That's the end. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so don't miss out any of my future videos. And don't forget to make a quick like and make a comment below. Stay safe and goodbye.